Do you want to make long videos more exciting and create a fun time-lapse effect? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to speed up or fast forward a clip in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started! Step number 1 is open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project or choose an existing project. Import video you want to edit and add it to the timeline. Then, tap the clip to open the editing tools. The next step is opening the speed tool. From the editing menu, tap speed. You will see options such as normal and curve. Select normal if you want to speed up the entire clip, or choose curve if you want to speed up to change at different points in the video. Increasing the playback speed is the next step. Drag the speed slider to the right to increase the playback speed. As you raise the speed, you will notice the clip becomes shorter on the timeline. Preview your video and adjust the speed until you achieve the effect that you want. And there you have it. That's how you speed up or fast forward a clip in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless us all!